After viewing a few videos regarding the usage of bird feeders and the common, tiny mountable cameras used for a close-up view and feel, I immediately wanted to portray the same footage closeness to Malibu's black hooded parakeets, or conures, to see what they would look like on these cameras and how they would take to such a camera mounted so close to them. The following footage is self-explanatory. The Mitred Conures also joined in. They do not fall behind in the pecking order to feed, but did hesitate staying long, possibly from being outnumbered, roughly 20 to 1. A lone and possibly escaped ringneck parakeet was witnessed in proximity to the black-hooded conure flock. It has been spotted by residents for weeks now, accompanying this flock. Although I have no footage of it feeding, it is said to visit the feeder as well when not so crowded.